Financial knowledge is the basis for financial freedom. In this video, I'll give you the knowledge of finance. If you know them, all the techniques, then you be able to apply those techniques in your life practically. In this video is very important for you in the reference of financial freedom. So you must be concentrated, because concentration is very important in any field of life. In this video, I'll explain the definition of income and its types. So what is the income? Income, a person or a company receives money on the regular basis from others. That is known as an income. Like you can say wages, salaries, dividends, profits, rental income. All these are the examples of income. Now, the types of income. There are a lot of types of income, but in this video I'll explain just 3 major types of incomes. Active income, passive income, portfolio income. What is the active income? A person or company receives money from others in the form of paycheck or cash, called active income. In other words, if you are working for a company or being as a freelancer, you receive money in the form of paycheck or cash. So that kind of money is called earned money or active money. In other words, you are actively working for a company or somewhere else. So in this income, you are exchanging your energy and time with others for money. There are many examples, like engineers, doctors, drivers, pilots, scientists, banker, accountant. All these are the examples of active earner. Other examples of active earners are the people involved all in these departments, like management, sales, marketing, web development, software development, computer programming, and aviation, space exploration. So these are the examples of active income. 2. Passive income. A person or company getting money in the form of cash or paycheck without doing nothing or less. In other words, they are doing nothing for getting money. This kind of income is known as passive income or inactive income. If you have a website, so you can earn this kind of money being as a sleeping partner. I want to explain this kind of income with an example. Like you bought a house or building or something else like that, and you rent it out for others. So on the regular basis you will get income from those people. So you are doing nothing for them, or little bit need to do for occasionally. This is known as the passive or inactive income. Likewise, you have a lot of money and you invested that money in a company, and a company gives you the return in the form of income on the regular basis, like quarterly or annually, according to their terms and conditions. So this is also known as the passive or inactive income. Passive income, like you have equipment or tools, you can rent it out, those things. Second, dividends, as well royalties you are getting, or digital products sale. Say you have a big storage for other people, but people come here and store their products or store their things in that space, and on regular basis they will pay you in the form of your income. Teach online classes, start a YouTube business. So the above given examples lies in the form of passive income. Third, portfolio income. Portfolio income is the kind of income in which you need to do nothing. You have a large capital and you lend it out or invest in a company, and company will give you the dividends or capital gain. This type of money is also known as paper money, because of this money just lies on the paper, not in the original form, not in the real form, like gold, like real estate. This is not like that. But in this modern world, the portfolio income trend is increasing day by day, especially in the modern worlds, especially in the developed countries like US, America, Europe, Australia. You bought shares of a very big company on the low prices and sell those shares in the market when the price is going up. So in your buying price and selling price there is difference. That difference is your profit, your capital gain. In this way, your income is known as the portfolio income. There are many examples of portfolio incomes are like mutual funds, like real estate investment trusts, like digital products. You invest in a book or something else. You invest your money in the R&D department of any company. You open savings account. All these are the examples of portfolio income. As I told you, knowledge is very important thing in your life. Gives you freedom in your financial living. So you must knowledgeable about your finance, how finance work, and deliver this kind of knowledge, especially your younger generation. In this video, I try to explain you the income, active income, passive income, and portfolio income. Hopefully you learned a lot from this video. Disclaimer: please remember, always we are not responsible in any case if you invest your money, because always remember, you are the responsible for your hard-earned money. No one will care for your money, because you struggled hard for earning the money. So please like, comment, and press the bell, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourself and all in your surroundings.